so that we may keep this record also. So I would like to welcome you all and a very good morning to all of you again. So in order to start this official meeting, this is the very first official meeting of our council. We people are here in order to just plan a roadmap for our council, as well as we are going to plan the events which we are going to just originate, as well as we are going to execute, so that we may solve the number of problems which are right now there in the small medium enterprises. And we are going to take the help of the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, and they people are eager to work with us, because this kind of the council has never been generated in Punjab. And thanks a lot to Deepika Bahri ma'am for giving us this golden opportunity. And we people are just working in association with MSME, but officially and formally, we have not find it out any kind of the platform like this one. Thanks a lot, ma'am. Thanks a lot. So I would like to just introduce Deepika Bahri ma'am. She is the president of Chandigarh Wiki Council, that is Union Territory Council of Chandigarh, and she has formulated our council as a part of her council. So we are under the guidance of a very strong leader. I could say, I must say that, because I have seen number of posts of a ma'am on her Facebook page, and on her just the directions which she has shown to us, we have formulated this council accordingly. So I would like to welcome you, ma'am, again. And I request you to kindly put some light upon the working of our council so that we can continue.
Right. Dr. Kavita, it is a real pleasure, and I can see so many divas, so many enlightened women in the group, and you people have done a tremendously wonderful job by forming the council in such a short span of time. It is actually a record breaking time. हम बहुत सी councils बनाते हैं, but this is actually a record breaking time that you have brought everybody together and formed the council, and within a week you have even done this launch meeting. So I congratulate all the members who are present there, with a wonderful leader like Dr. Kavita and your vice president. I am just a representative of Wiki. I am the president for Union Territory, that is Chandigarh chapter. And now we have to form 156 councils under this chapter. So this is all about Wiki. मतलब Wiki में हम center specific, that is sector specific councils बनाते हैं. जैसे आपकी MSME और SME है, ऐसे ही we have for tribals, for organics, for robotics, for stem cells. So every council has their own working. और जैसे कि डॉक्टर कविता ने बोला है कि आप लोगों को मिनिस्ट्रीज के साथ काम करना है, अपना एजेंडाज डिसाइड करने हैं, आप लोगों के सेक्टर में क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम्स आती हैं, विमेन को क्या प्रॉब्लम आती है, उनको किस तरीके से एड्स दी जा सकती हैं और क्या हम हेल्प कर सकते हैं. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट, एंड यू हैव टू फॉर्मुलेट योर ओन रोड मैप. वी आर नॉट देयर टू स्टॉप यू, or we are always there to guide you. Dr. Harbeen, our president, who is the founder of this wiki, she is always there to guide us, but you have to formulate your own roadmap.
Thanks a lot, ma'am. Thank you very much. But we do require your support and guidance. So we are having Sonia Chawla ma'am with us. Dr. Sonia Chawla is one of the renowned academician in the history. She has got the position where she is working right now, just because of her hard work, as well as her she is having the passion. So I would like to welcome Dr. Sonia Chawla. Ma'am, please address the council.
Thank you so much. Actually, thank you so much, Madam Deepika Bahri. Thank you so much, Dr. Gita. Actually, I know just the two people in this council, and it is on the request of Dr. Kavita that I have joined it. I am working as an associate professor in Dr. B.R. Ambedkar National Institute of Technology. I have a total experience of around 21 years working in the academics only. I have been closely associated with MSME, where we got the grant of more than 60 lakh for setting up the business incubators and funding the ideas, for mentoring the ideas. 10 business ideas we have mentored in the educational institute only, where we get the funding of 6.25 lakh to each student. And MSME is having a wide scope where the grants are given, as Madam Bahari was sharing, for the different fields. Now it is up to us that how much we need to extract. Uh, One just small submission is there, that with the expectation I have joined this council is, in fact, very recently I was reading one article where I had just gone through that the average annual income of the women working in the MSME falls below 10,000 per month. Okay. So women are working, but because of the lack of awareness, lack of the opportunities of the funding, lack of the platforms to market their product, passion is one thing and the knowledge is other thing. Okay, so I feel this is a platform where the gap can be filled, and let's try to concentrate on one particular sector. My approach is to start with one particular sector, groom it, and then gradually we can move on to the other sectors. And simultaneously, I really wish that some of us, I do not know all the members, I'll request the Dr. Kavita that if we can have a platform where we can at least share the CVs of each other, so that everybody has certain core competencies, we can get to know that where I can get help of Dr. Kavita, or I am able to see some of the name like Dr. Sita Seni, Dr. Santosh is here. Okay, if I have certain knowledge of the core competencies, then it gives more edge to leverage on each other. Okay,
Mhm.
always an association and council is where we need to leverage on each other to groom each other. And I really wish that actually we also have some startups. Okay, unless until we ourselves put into that field, we do not understand the intricacies of that particular field.
Hmm.
Although I am working with 2 3 other projects, one in the biotechnology and one in the education, but there is always n number of opportunities. So let's explore, let's groom each other, let's work, and let's make our country more progress. Thank you
Thank you.
for having me here.
Thanks a lot, ma'am. Thanks a lot, ma'am. Definitely, ma'am. Actually, we are having a very short time with us. We have formulated this council, as ma'am has told you, that within 1 week we have just brought up all the like superpower ladies all together on this particular platform, and we are having a youngest scientist along with us, Dr. Parul Thapar, and we are having the researchers with us, Dr. Santosh Bali, and we are having the one of the the scientists who had already having the patents along with her, Dr. Sita Seni, and she is one of the wonderful women I knew in my career. I would like to invite Dr. Sita Seni along with us. But before that, I would like to introduce Dr. Nitya Sharma also. She is the finance director of PTU, IKG PTU. And she is a wonderful woman. She is very eager to do the research also, and she is having a very good academics background also. So before inviting her, I would like to introduce the other member in a very short span. We are having Manhar Dhillon ma'am with us. She's working in Trident. And we have also asked certain people from the companies as well as the brands. And because until and unless we are not going to indulge ourselves into the into SMEs and MSMEs, these ministries are working for the companies as well as the industries, but until and unless we are not going to get familiar with the real problem, we are not able to sort out the problem of them. So that's why I have included them. And still I'm on the process of inclusion of such kind of the people who are still working in the industry, and they could brought up the light upon the actual problems, so that we can help them out in every aspect. So I would like to invite Dr. Sita Seni. I
First of
request
all,
all. Good morning, ma'am. How are you?
a very good morning to all the members present here. I'm very well, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot.
The words which you expressed for me, in the same way, I have seen very few and energetic people like you who are always ready to take the challenges. And a very good morning to our president also, Madam Deepika Bahari. Madam Sonia Chawla, ma'am, luckily I have worked with Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, NIT Jalandhar for a year. In the year 2011, yes, I was working with computer science department for a year. It was on contract, but I worked there for a year. Yes, ma'am. So it's my pleasure to meeting you all. As a few of the members has highlighted that no doubt there are a number of problems which are existing in the society. The thing is, as we are beginners, so we need to focus on one first. Once we feel that we are on the right track and we are able to handle that particular problem or that particular issue, afterwards we can like expand our working into the other domains too. And there are a number of issues which are existing. One point which I would like to impress upon, that no doubt females are working very hard, but there is a huge gap what actually we are doing and what we are able to express it, how we are able to present it. We are contributing a lot, but either from the side of administration, or probably it is lack of knowledge may also be, that we are not able to like we are not able to mature our ideas to the very high end where it is expected, the way it should be executed and the way it should be presented. That is the real challenge. So we can start with a domain, and afterwards we need to like and another point is, as we all are from the different backgrounds, if I am into technology, I am into computer science, some people may be from the business background, some people may be from the commerce background. Depending upon, we all can further segregate our domains. We can like divide it, and every group, every like group which we will make, they can come up with the problems of their particular domain. In this way, all the people will be involved, and if we will be working on some interdisciplinary problems, we will be able to see that if it is my domain, how I can take the help from the others also. Baki rest, as it will be guided by Madam Deepika Vahari and Madam Kavita, we will always contribute, and we will float our ideas too. Thank you. Thank you very
Thank
much.
you, ma'am. Thanks for being here. So the thing is that, ma'am, we are going to organize another meeting within next 2-3 days, because we all are working women. So we could have to take that opportunity on that particular time when all will be free. And we are also going to manage our families along with our professional life. So I don't want to disturb your family life. But the thing is that we are also having our we are the personalities who are making our family proud. So we people are also going to manage accordingly, so that we can bring along with our family. So we are going to manage the meetings in the evening hours, like in the late hours.
That will be better, ma'am. That will be better.
So we are going to plan it shortly. Within 2-3 days, you will be getting the one of the link like this one, and we are going to segregate the work accordingly according to our domain. And before introducing anything, I am having a Ramni ma'am with us. So Ramni is working in the government department. So I would like to request Ramni to kindly put some light upon your working, as well as how could you help us out.
Hello everyone. That's really nice meeting you all. And I still remember when Kavita ma'am called me up on 11th of March, I instantly said yes to join this wonderful council with the wonderful people. Actually, I think I'm too young to speak on this topic, because I'm still working, and it's just been 5-6 years since I'm with the finance department of Haryana. And my main domain is to prepare budget for the state. We have just presented the state budget, and I am totally into the finance field. I don't know much about this sector, but yes, I'm really keen to work in this sector. I think being in a government sector, I can contribute. I can at least help this council to implement the policies that are being run by the government of Haryana for the women in Haryana, because I have seen there are so many schemes that are being run by the Women and Child Development Department and the MSME Council in the Haryana government, and they are really wonderful. They are helping a lot for the women of this state, because Haryana is very backward in this I can say when it's about women and or a girl child. No? So I think I can help in how can we help the women financially to become more financially independent, and how can we aware them about the schemes, how can we make them be more independent, and they can make full use of the schemes. And rest, I think I'm very much sure that I'll work hard under the guidance of Kavita ma'am, because I have done my MBA under her kind guidance, and I'm looking forward for this thing. So thank you so much, and thanks for making me part of this council.
Welcome, welcome. So I request all the council members that due to the shortage of time, we are not introducing every our council member, but we respect you all, and we people would love to work with you people, because you are the super women. We have started our session with these golden words, and I really mean it. So the thing is that today we are having the short introduction of our council members, and we are having 2 days with us. Kindly frame out the things which we can able to do in this council and for our society, as well as we people are the one of the generators that we can generate the entrepreneurs, and along with that we can just show them the path where they can able to find out the fundings from the government, because there are lot many fundings which are available. But the thing is that people are not aware about that. Even we may become one of the mediator in between the government and the all the SMEs. So we are going to find out the SMEs first, as Dr. Sonia Chawla has told us that we have to focus upon the one micro sector first. So we are going to start from this segment, then we are going to move along with the medium and this small medium and large scale. So we are going to work for starting our work from SMEs, smalls. So we are going to find out which area, which domain first we need to tap. We are having Manhar ma'am with us. So she is working in Trident. I would like to request Manhar ma'am kindly put some light upon that. How can we proceed in this particular segment? Manhar ma'am, are you there?
Hello, everyone.
Hi ma'am, how are you?
I'm well. How are you all? Superwoman?
Thanks a lot, ma'am. Thanks for a lot for being a part of this council. And we would love to learn from you exactly, but we just reading and putting some efforts up from our side. But actually, you are the relevant person from the industry who are going to just show that how we can proceed. So I would like to request
Definitely,
you
ma'am.
to kindly discuss all.
Definitely. It's a great opportunity for me also to be a part of this council. And thanks a lot for the invitation and making me a part of this lovely Superwoman Council. And definitely, as being a part of the Trident Limited, like it's a manufacturing firm, and you must have seen the banners of Trident and the towels we make, the bed sheets we make, and all the challenges. Actually, I have been involved with Trident for 7 years now. I'm mainly into the finance department and take care of the taxation of the import and export incentives. So how we can actually initiate a startup, and how we can export various things, and the formalities with the DGFT, everything. Like I have been doing this for Trident for 7 years now, and I have in-depth knowledge of this. And to let you know that I was also thinking of starting up my own firm, in which I can manufacture something, or we, a group of women, can do something, taking some funds from the government and all the policies. Actually, I'm not aware of that part. So in which we can all collaborate and form such an organization where we can bring in things, bring in ideas as to how to start up a venture. And I can take up the initiative of DGFT authorities, and how to liaison with them, and how to go about the import export code and everything. Like I'm involved in all this, and definitely we can form a new venture. And I was thinking about some kind of NGO where we can employ some village women and everything. Like I have so many ideas in my mind, and we can discuss all these, and definitely will come up something big. Definitely.
Thanks a lot, ma'am. Thank you. So the thing is that we are already associated with the MSME DI Ludhiana. So they are taking care of whole of the
Right.
Punjab industry. And we are also in
Right,
touch with the MSME Himachal Pradesh also. We are also in
right.
touch with KVIC, NSIC. And I have been there like for associated with them for the last 18 years. So they are
Oh, that
keenly interested to help us out. and they asked us ki you can just proceed, and we are going to accommodate you, and we are going to involve some of our officials for your events, so that we can also generate the awareness among the society that we people are having the fundings for you, and we are
Right.
also going to contribute a lot in Make in India concept, as well as to make the
Yeah,
India Atmanirbhar
definitely.
Bharat.
Yeah,
So
that's great. That's great.
we have
Actually.
already on the process, ma'am, in our institutes, in our universities, we have already organized number of programs for them. But now we have just got this opportunity, and now we are going to capture whole of this Punjab, and we are not going to restrict ourselves to only in particular area. So we are going to
Yeah.
cover up whole of the Punjab, and that's why we
Yeah,
have selected the women from different areas. And I am on the particular process that I have already invited Vardhaman Textiles also. So their HR
right.
head, she is also keenly interested to get part of our council, and she
That's
is just taking care, like she has to go through the number of the process to take the permission from her higher authorities, and she is already doing that. Miss Reena, she is going
okay.
to join us very soon, and soon we are going to just having a helping hand from CICU Ludhiana, and they are
Okay.
also very keenly interested because they are the part of our association, and they are helping us out to have the exhibition fairs and all that. And they said ki ma'am, you can just proceed, we are going to help you out in every aspect. So in a brief description, like we are having number of people who are going to help us out, but the only thing is that we need to just chalk it out where we could seek their help and how they can just help us out.
Yes, yes.
So we need to
Definitely.
plan one short meeting again in 2 3 days, in 2 days, when we are not going to extend this on the third day. So we are going to, I request all the council member to kindly frame out the particular area in which we can just help our council, and we can proceed in a particular way, so that we cannot go directionless. We must be having some kind of the direction. And in case if we do require any kind of the guidance, ma'am's number I have already added ma'am in our group. Deepika Bari ma'am, she is going to help us out because we are new to this to this wiki, so we are not aware that how other councils are going to help us out. So for that, ma'am, we do require your guidance, and we may disturb you again and again.
Dr. Kavita, I am very sure that Wiki has done half the job. That is, they have brought the best of brains together on this platform. But I guess you people are going to rock. I can see the energy. I can feel the knowledge each and every one of you hold. So I am very sure आपने ठीक कहा कि सिर्फ एक direction की ज़रूरत है, which we are always there as your to assist you in any manner you want. But I guess you people are going to really do something tremendous.
Ma'am, we are part of your team, and see, like we are going to synergize our council, and we
Yes.
try our level best to put our 101% to this council, because that is a dream of every woman. We are making our identity, and we are going to identify ourselves in a real aspect. So I am very thankful to you for giving this golden opportunity. So I request, if any other volunteer, I request Nitya ma'am, kindly unmute yourself, because we would like to interact with you also, ma'am. You are my role model. Nitya ma'am, are you there?
She is there.
Okay. So ma'am is maybe she is busy somewhere. So I would like to request Himani ma'am, kindly unmute yourself, please.
Yes, good morning to everyone. I am Himani Joshi Arora,
Let
and
me
I
introduce
am
you,
working at.
Himani. Let me introduce you. She is a wonderful woman. I knew her for the last 10 to 12 years, and I really like got inspired from her. Now, like she is a YouTuber also, and she is a woman, like she is having a wings, and she had flown away. And today, like sky is the limit, she has proven that really sky is having no limit for her. So, Himani ma'am, kindly please proceed.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I don't feel I deserve so much of appreciation, but thank you so much. And actually, I'm working as an assistant professor, and before that, I have worked for 3 years in industry as well. And So yes, I strongly feel about this topic, and yes, I'm a YouTuber as well, and I have been making videos on women empowerment, and I strongly feel for this topic, women supporting women. If you will feel comfortable, I'm going to share that videos also, and I upload a video every Sunday. So today, another video on internalized misogyny is coming up. So what I feel when I was in college, actually, I would like to share one thing. This question was asked to us.
Sorry to interrupt you, ma'am. Actually, this
Okay.
is the one of the we have taken up this opportunity from Zoom only for 40 minutes.
Okay.
Okay, so they have extended our time. So before, in case if somebody automatically will leave this session, then they can rejoin it, because they have provided us this opportunity because we are using their platform for the very first time, and they have sent me the message ki, ma'am, we have extended your this time duration. So in case if somebody has automatically left out, so kindly rejoin it. Okay. And another thing, we are going to formulate the page for our council on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, as well as Instagram. So I will share the links with you on your WhatsApp group. In case if we will end this meeting automatically, so in case that, kindly share these links in all your networks, so that we can able to join the some other members who eagerly waiting for that particular kind of the opportunity, but they are not getting it. So I request Himani ma'am, kindly continue, please. Thank
Thank
you.
you so much, ma'am. So I was telling you that I was asked this question in my class in college, that if you become invisible for one day, what are you going to do? So many people, they said that we are going to steal something, we are going to steal luxury collection, etc. But what I said was that if I could change the mindset of even one person in my life, I will feel privileged. And this happens to us because we have been raised in a patriarchy society. So this has been instilled in us from time immemorial. So even if we want to think big, we are unable to think big. We want to remain in the shell always. So this is what I want to do. I want to help in this thing, to make women think big and feel that yes, they can achieve it. So thank you so much for providing me this opportunity, and I'm 100% motivated and committed to work in this field.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. And we are having Monica Sadavarti ma'am with us. I request ma'am, kindly unmute yourself.
Hi.
She is a wonderful woman I knew, and I have seen and got inspired from her. She's having a great lifestyle, and she is one of the women who has just gave the direction to the school she is working for. So I request ma'am, kindly please unmute yourself.
Hi, everybody. Good morning, everyone. The one thing that I need to share is that.
Is it okay, ma'am, that you can open your camera also?
Why I'm not letting my camera on? Because today I have little fever just because of that little exertion. So I'm not in that, looks which I just want to show you all.
But ma'am, we want to see you. We want to see you because you are such a beautiful woman. Even without makeup, you looks very beautiful. Please switch on your camera.
Because, it's okay. I'll do it. Thank you so much. This is something that
welcome, ma'am. Welcome.
It's okay, because being a teacher, this is the last week that our schools have reopened, and we are more into that working process, though we are the corona warriors. So that's why I got a little exertion and got a little fever. But thank you, Ms. Kavita. You've given me a wonderful opportunity. I never thought of that I'll be a part of this kind of institution, or this kind of an organization, this kind of women federation you're talking about. My name is Monica Sadavarti, and I teach English to grade 11th and 12th, working as PGT English. Undoubtedly, something for women, and women doing something for women is something which is really magical. I'll definitely look forward. I do not know what to do, how to do. I was a little apprehensive when she got a call. I got a call from her. She called me, and I thought, why me? I have no, idea of business. So I thought, why not me? Then I realized that we all are budget makers. We ladies are homemakers. So why not business? We are all handling business in our day-to-day life. So why not? So again, I thought of something. Then I thought that obviously, whatever, written material, whatever, communication medium, I can help you out in this. And though whatever work has been assigned to me, I'll definitely try to do on time. Though, and everything, whatever Miss Kavita, Miss Bhari, everybody, those who are associated with this institution, I'll definitely look forward to do something magical, something wonderful, and something fascinating for women. Such wonderful opportunity being provided to you, provided to me by Miss Kavita, by this organization. So I'll definitely help you out. I'll definitely help me out to do something different, something out of the box. So please kindly bear with, with this look. But in next time, you'll definitely see me shining, glowing, and that to be in a very, that vibrating look that I basically cherish showing to my children. Because somewhere down the lane today, children are the ones who are the nation builders, and I'm helping them out to do something in their careers. So thank you so much. It's been wonderful be associated with this institution. I'll definitely look forward to this wiki. Thank you so much, Ms. Kavita. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. So we are having one principal with us, architect Kanchan. So she is acting as a principal in School of Architecture in Chandigarh University, and she has been associated with me for the last 12 years. Like I request ma'am, kindly unmute yourself, because we are having a very short time. So we want to just know, because our council members are not aware about you. So kindly unmute yourself in case like if you just interact with us, like how you are going to help us out, because she is architecture. So, architect Kanchan ma'am, please unmute yourself.
Thank you so much, Kavita ma'am. And it is really a pleasure for me that I am being associated with the organization. And definitely I will be providing the all architecture aspects or the projects which will be associated in respect to architecture also. And that I will definitely be with you, and I will look forward that, yes, I will be helpful to the organization. Yes, thank you so much.
Thanks a lot, ma'am. Thank you. So I request if any volunteer wants to interact with us, any volunteer from our council, because there are so many women, like there are wonderful women with us who are like leaders in their particular field. So I request if any volunteer would like to interact with us. Parul Thapar ma'am, Dr. Parul Thapar, she is one of the youngest scientists from the biotechnology, and she is already into the projects with the young entrepreneurs. So I request Dr. Parul Thapar ma'am if she could able to interact with us. Dr. Parul, are you there? Maybe she is finding some kind of the difficulty.
Hello, ma'am.
Okay, so you are there. Okay, Parul ma'am, kindly please switch on your camera.
Ma'am, am I audible to you?
Yes, we are listening to you. And she has she has started the project. She is making oxygen from algae, and she is one of the scientists who is associated with the industry as well. So Parul ma'am, there is some network issue from your side maybe. So there must be some technical glitch at her end. So we are unable to interact with you, ma'am. So next time, definitely, whenever we are going to have some kind of the meeting in next 2 days, so we are going to chalk it out in which domain, how our family members, these council members are going to contribute. So I am really thankful to Deepika Bhari ma'am for giving us this golden opportunity, and definitely, ma'am, I am confident that definitely our council will make you proud. I assure you. On the behalf of my council.
I can already see that. I can already see the vibrancy.
Ma'am, thanks a lot. Thank you very much.
Hello.
Yes, Pali ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, we are listening to you.
All the members. I will drop the message which Kavita has constituted. For please share your contact number with your mail and with your one email ID where we can make the group, and the mails which are common to all the group members can be shared with your short affiliation, like if you're working as a scientist, or you are working as a principal, or you are working as a marketeer, and kindly share in the group. And the second is that I had just seen that Manhar is there with us from the Trident, and you talked that there is one more lady, probably from the other industry, can join us. I'd request the members that whosoever you can explore your more contacts, the more ladies working in the industry, because the thing is that with the experience of working in the academia, there is a huge gap between the people working in the academics and the expectation of the industry. And Manhar will well appreciate it. So we should have the inputs from the people from the industry as much as possible. And if your contacts speak, we can add those people as a members of the group. That's
Sure.
the request I'd like to make. And like Dr. Kavita and Deepika Bari, and again, time and again emphasizing that concentrate on an area. I would request Dr. Kavita to share the agenda or I want to say the objectives of the council with all the committee members, maybe through mail or through group, so that it can provide certain inputs to the members that in which direction this council is working, and accordingly they can suggest that how this is pursued, how it matches my core competencies, and what are the areas where I'd like to.
Sure, ma'am, sure. So today I will be sharing the contact number as well as the profile of every council member in a WhatsApp group. Along with that, I will be sending you the agenda for the next meeting in 2 days. So at night or in the late hours, we are going to just have that particular meeting so that you could be easily going to manage it. And we are like I will be sharing all the profile with their relevant contact number. They are already in the group, and I request all of you, as Dr. Sonia Chawla has told you, that we have to just extend our council in every domain, because our industry is working in every domain. So we do require assistance from every aspect. So that is my humble request to all of my council members. We have to make our council proud, and we have to just work for the society, because we are meant for that. And we are the ladies who are going to originate the future of our society. And we are already in touch with the young generation, young entrepreneurs, budding entrepreneurs, and we are quite lucky that up till now we have already motivated and just made them that they have already started up their startups. And definitely there is some urge in we people also that we are helping them out as a mentors, but we are not able to start up our own startups. So definitely I am seeing that definitely we are on that particular path, that definitely we are also going to start up our startups. So I request all the family, all the council members, I will be sharing the agenda with you. I will be sharing the contact number of each and every one. You are already having that in your group also. If you want to interact with them, you can just interact in that particular group only, so that we can just get in touch with you that what we are going to have in our council. And like I have told you, kindly contribute a lot, because we already having a lot many things with us. So the thing is that only to share along with us. So we are not going to devote extra time, but this is our routine process, and we are into that for the last so many years. We are already in this particular profession. So in the end of this particular meeting, I would like to request all the council members to come up with your if you people are already having the fire in your belly, so kindly bring it out. And we do require that, and we do require the guidance of our seniors, because Sonia Chawla ma'am is senior to me, as well as Dr. Sita Saini is senior to me. Dr. Santosh Bali is also senior to me. Kanchan ma'am is also senior to me. So I got this opportunity, ma'am. I worked along with you people, and I knew you.
I'll stop you here.
Definitely, ma'am.
We all will be working equal, okay? Once we are a member
Yeah,
of a
we are all
council,
with
we
you.
stand on an equal footing. And at the start itself, that I feel that when we join a council or any kind of association, that is to groom each other, and we can learn from anybody at any stage of life. So we all are on a.
Thank you, ma'am.
Definitely,
Thanks a
we
lot.
are all
Very
all
well said.
together.
Very well said, Sonia ma'am. I really appreciate.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much.
So,
Kavita ma'am.
yes, ma'am. No, Nitya ma'am is here.
I just want to thank you, Kavita ma'am. I was traveling, so there was some network issue. I couldn't join at that time.
Thanks a lot, ma'am,
First
for
of
coming here.
First of all, I like to extend my heartfelt thanks to you, ma'am, for giving us the opportunity to join and explore ourselves. I mean,
Thanks a lot.
I have been meeting the wonderful personalities. जैसे कहते हैं ना, आपने मोती पिरो दिए एक माला में, कविता में.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. That is just because of your guidance, ma'am. You guided me as well.
I actually honor Sonia ma'am's version of the thing, and just on note, I would like to add that a main component is financial inclusion. Like majority of people, we are from the management team, so we need right thinking, right time, at right moment. So identifying that right, I think one main component is financial. And as Sonia ma'am was narrating the exploration of our own competencies, so I would like to share, since I am in the Department of Finance, I have a good link. What I will see is that government is providing for MSME are rooted mainly through banks. So I think I can participate in that way for the mobilization.
Thank
That
you,
was
ma'am.
one
Thank you.
to say. And to extend it to further, this MSME, this has been close to my heart ever since जिसे कहते हैं ना, मैंने होश संभाली. Since my father was running the small industry, तो वो कहते हैं नर्चरिंग ही हुई उससे. And जब मैंने अपना PhD किया in 2013, so I found the problems my father was struggling in 80s are the same in 2013 also. Since I approached the association of the MSME, so I would love to contribute onto this platform and work for the development of the society. Thank you so much, and once again, I again extend my all the dignitaries present here. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thanks a lot, ma'am. Thanks a lot. So I.
Hello, Kavita ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, Kavita ma'am. Actually, I'm myself traveling. I'm in a train right now.
Okay.
So at that time, I just got disconnected.
It's okay.
So
it's
first
okay,
of all, I would like to thank you for giving me this opportunity. And as you have already mentioned that I'm the youngest over here. So
Varun
I'm
ma'am, good things
privileged to
always
learn.
comes in small packets, and you are a small packet, and you are really a wonderful person.
And ma'am, I'm privileged to learn many things from my seniors. It's a great opportunity from me, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you so
Thanks
much.
a lot. Thank you. Thank you very much, ma'am. So I request any volunteer if they want to interact with us, because we are on the equivalent platform, and now we are team members, we can say. So I request my team members kindly, in case if you want to share some like enlightened words or some kind of the like experience of yours, I request kindly unmute yourself and please come forward. Santosh ma'am, you want to say something?
Yes, I just want to say thank you to you to feeling very good together with so much talented and superwomen in one platform. I feel very happy. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thanks
In
a
the
lot,
field
ma'am.
of research, if I can contribute anything, please write me. I will be available anytime.
Thanks a lot, ma'am. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot, ma'am. Deepika, ma'am. Thank you so much.
So we are having
And all the dignitaries.
Okay. So Riddhi ma'am is also along with us. Riddhi, kindly unmute yourself, please. Riddhi, are
Good
you there?
afternoon, ma'am.
Good
Yes,
afternoon.
ma'am. Yes. Am I audible?
Yes, 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 you are audible. So she is the
Good afternoon,
person,
ma'am.
she is already associated with MSME, and she is one of the like authorized resource person of MSME. She already delivered so many expert sessions upon MDPs and EAPs of MSME. and she got appreciation even from MSME. Like all the member, Himani ma'am, me, as well as Riddhi ma'am, we got twice and thrice appreciation from directly from central government. So I request Riddhi ma'am kindly share your experience with us.
Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving me this wonderful platform and making me a part of this organization. I am really hardworking and I am committed towards my responsibilities to bring this forward in the future.
So we are going to get the help from your side, ma'am, because you are technically very sound person, and I knew
Yes,
your
ma'am.
abilities also. So in case if any member wants to interact with us, otherwise we are having a very short time, and we will be meeting in 2 days. And in case like if any member wants to interact with us.
Vita, in the meantime, members think of what to say. I'll again interrupt. And I'd request that, see, this is the first meeting and this is the introductory meeting. But see, Dr. Mitra is here, that we management people are very practical along with. I'd suggest that in every meeting we should come out with certain outcomes also. And next time there will be an agenda. Then the minute should be made. Then there should be follow-up action, so that after certain duration we are able to see what are the concrete outcomes, we are on the right direction or not. Similarly, we need to fix the responsibility point wise, because in management you understand everybody's responsibility is nobody's responsibility.
Ma'am, I require your guidance also, because we need to interact first, then we can
time bound,
it out.
and it will be, I mean to say, and it will be person specific who is to do what, and minutes will be reviewed. So what I feel is that whatever work we need to do, I do it very religiously and very passionately. So they here also I'd request, then in case we want to have a chit chat meeting and we want to gossip, we can have that kind of meeting separate also. But if it's an official meeting, from the next meeting we'll straightforward talk of the business.
Sure, ma'am. Sure. So I would like to request all the member, kindly please follow that whatever we people are discussing, that is for our council as well as for our society. So in the end, on the behalf of whole of my council member and my council, I deeply shows my gratitude to Deepika Bari ma'am for giving us this golden opportunity. And we people are going to make you proud. Definitely we are going to find out the way that we could bring that sunshine in our council also, and along with that we can just make India for India, that we are going to work for Atmanirbhar Bharat. And definitely if we are going to work for the industry, that means we are going to work for our young generation. So thanks a lot for coming here, for sparing your valuable time. And I hope that this kind of the wonderful discussion will go on in the next meetings also. So we are going to come up with a defined agenda, and we are going to document all these things, because we are working in an organization, and definitely we need some kind of the like a documentation also. So I am going to proceed with all that. I will be sharing that minutes of meeting of this official meeting as well as the agenda for the next meeting. So thanks a lot. Thank you very much.
All the best.
Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot, ma'am.
Have a good day all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thanks a lot, Parul. Bye.